Hello, I'm Hal Seki. I'm honored to be here for making a presentation on Code for All Summit today. I am a founder of Code for Japan. I will explain our citizen participation project in Japan. We use Decidim. It is an open source platform for deliberative democracy. I am going to share some lessons from our practices. Code for Japan is a community for people who want to think and create better future together. We connect the people and help governments work better in open and agile way. One of our focusing area is Make Our City project. It is a challenge for redefine a smart city concept through citizen participation. Cities should create opportunities for inviting citizens to participate in building their place. For example, in participatory policy making, we provide a localized open source citizen engagement tool called Decidim. This tool was born and used in Barcelona. It provides many functions of citizen participative processes like below. It is a sort of CMS for deliberative democracies. Administrators can design participatory processes by using multiple components. Since we started to use it for Kakogawa City on October 2020, many cities have used it in various ways. In the early stage, the majority of usage was city planning. Cities collected comments on their master plan and had discussion with citizens. In Kakogawa City, they approached different targets like local high school students. Also, they got various opinions by organizing workshops. And recently, they have been more diverse examples of its use. For example, in Manazuru City, park managers and citizens discuss and develop rules for the use of public parks. In Nishiai's town, they use the space for part of entrepreneurship education in middle school. Students discussed issues in the city and generated solutions and made presentations to city municipals. The most valuable lesson from these projects is that the mix of offline and online workshops is very important. Citizens will not contribute their opinions if you just publish the site and wait for them. So you need to mix this tool into city's usual decision-making processes. Also, you need to access a more diverse audience. Offline workshops are better suited for reaching stakeholders and having focused discussions. On the other hand, online workshops can incorporate input from more diverse group of people, such as young generations or busy business people. In addition, by posting the workshop result on the site, you can present specific discussions of citizens to a broader audience. Seeing people's opinions like ordinary citizens makes it easier to voice their opinions. I had an opportunity to discuss with Josep Bohigas from Barcelona, Director Urban Department Bureau. He emphasized a few points. Decidim is also a platform that empowers students to expand their voices and counter strong consultants or corporate lobbying. And also find issues by zoom in to students' lives and expand generalized strategies. Bottom-up and top-down, or offline and online, such kind of mixes is a very good point of Decidim. And it is not good idea to ask opinions randomly. it's good to ask for input on prototypes or demonstrations and simulations, or for getting constructive opinions. And also, facilitator team should be selected from both municipalities and citizens. But we still have some challenges surrounding digital participation platforms. The opinions of those participating in the platform do not necessarily represent the citizens. So we have representativeness issues. And also there are questions: how do we bring diverse opinions together in this kind of online platform? It's difficult to build consensus through the online conversations. And also it is there are the question: is it worth the effort for government officials to reply to each opinions, or attempt to facilitate it? The government officials has limited capacity, and maybe it leads populism. The opinion with the most likes is not always really the right one. However, it isn't easy to turn down such an opinion. And also there is a hurdle in getting people to use the platform itself. Yeah, so we have many issues. Now that's all of my presentation. If you have some ideas, please let us know. I hope our lessons is useful for you. Thank you for listening. Bye.